Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to download Totally Accurate Battle Simulator on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to Steam's official website. Once you're on the Steam homepage, look for the green button that says Install Steam at the top right corner of the page and click on it. On the next page, click on the blue button that says Install Steam again to download the Steam setup file. After the file is downloaded, open it to start the installation process. Once Steam is installed, open the application. If you already have a Steam account, go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create a Free Account and follow the prompts to set one up. Now that you're logged into Steam, it's time to find and download Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. In the top right corner of the Steam window, you'll see a search bar. Type Totally Accurate Battle Simulator and press Enter. Look for the game in the search results and click on it. This will take you to the game store page. On the store page, you'll see a button that says Add to Cart. Click on it. After your purchase is complete, go to your Steam library. You can find it by clicking on Library at the top of the Steam window. In your library, you'll see Totally Accurate Battle Simulator listed. Click on it, and then click the blue Install button. Choose the installation location if prompted, and then click Next. The game will start downloading and installing automatically. When the download is complete, you'll see a Play button. Click on it to launch Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.